Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put text over an image in Photoshop. Let's begin. Go to File, open your image or photo, create a new layer, then select the text, right click horizontal type to text color white and text size Arial black. Then click in here and type text. Example text type my cat. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift, click and resize the text. Hold Ctrl, select the photo or image and align middle. And again create a new layer and select a shape. Select your color. Example, I use this color. Hold Ctrl, align middle, add a drop shadow. Hold Ctrl, group, hold Ctrl, select the background. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.